And today we're going to discuss PEMDAS is equal to math operations. PEMDAS means order of math operations, and the steps to do this: number one is to begin with a parenthesis, followed by exponents, and then multiplication and division, and number 4, addition and subtraction. So the direction of answering an equation, math equation, should begin from left to right. So make some notes about this, and next we will have an example. For this example, let's take for an example 3 plus the quantity 2 plus 1 cube minus quantity negative 8 minus negative 2 is equal to, let's begin with the parenthesis. So here is the parenthesis and the parenthesis. Let's just copy the equation. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 cubed minus negative 8 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 10. And 3, we begin with, remember the word PEMDAS. We're already done with the parentheses. Now we go to exponent. So the exponent is here. So 3 plus 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, 27. So we have to remove the parentheses now. So 3 plus 27, so negative 10 when using this. Subtraction is equal to, it will be like this. So now we go to addition and subtraction. Whatever begins, what operation begins from left to right should be followed. So here the operation is addition followed by subtraction. So we should begin first with the addition. 3 plus 27 is equal to 30. So negative minus negative 10. So when we are subtracting negative integers, we must remove, get the inverse of that integer. So negative will become positive. So this will become 10. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. So 40 is the final answer. So if you want more equations, want to learn more about PEMDAS, just visit here in our YouTube channel and click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.